So guys, now in this video I'm going to do the installation of this light bulb switch socket right here. As you can basically see, this is the cover of the switch, so I'm just going to install it. So they basically come in this package. They have basically two of them that come inside. We have two screws right here. We have a part right here where the socket can basically go through, and also we have this screw that can use to mount it up with some bit of diamond on it as well. And I love this design right here because it basically has some diamond cover on the top right here, which is really great. I'm just gonna install it right now that you guys see basically how it's look. And see guys, this is my light socket right here. I'm just gonna install it right on this right now. As you can basically see, I'm gonna screw out this screw and install it that you guys see. Basically gonna install it now guys. Put it over it like so. Now I'm gonna screw it up. There guys, as you can basically see, I love the finished look right here. Basically got some blingy look on right here, which basically reflects off light basically at night and even at the day, which install really great. As you can see right here, work really well. And I hope you guys find this video very helpful.